Welcome to Physical Science 2.2 Multi-Force Activity. Today we're going to be talking about the calculating of force and how to calculate force. We have a cool little music video to go with it. And we're going to do a net force lab. So first of all, on your formula sheet, you need to add this slide to your formula sheet on calculating force. Just label it calculating force. The equation to calculate force is F equals ma. You don't always have to find force. Sometimes you have to find mass or acceleration. So m would be F divided by a, and a would be F divided by m. That means at the top, F equals ma, that's multiplication in there. So the F stands for force, and it's measured in a unit called newtons. M is mass, measured in kilograms. And A is acceleration, measured in meters per second squared, or meters per second per second. Be sure you get the equations, the words, and the units. So let's walk through an example of calculating force. What is the force needed to move a 27 kilogram object at 18 meters per second squared? So I'm wanting force, so I need the force equation. I'm sorry, you will have several of these next class. Okay, we're going to do this assignment next class. The force equation is F equals ma. The mass given is 27 kilograms. The acceleration given is 18 meters per second squared. 27 times 18 is 486 newtons. The units of force are newtons. Now let's get to our activity for today. Today you're going to do a multi-force activity, and there are 5 things that are required. A balance, a spring scale, 7 items, 1 ruler, and your Chromebook. So your assignment is in Google Classroom. Open the multi-force activity and follow the directions. You're doing this with your table partner and or your group based on what I tell you in class. Be sure to turn this activity in before you leave today. The format on the Google doc that you're going to open, Google Sheet that you're going to open, has a table, items 1 through 7, plus the shelf, totals, okay, and it's all color-coded. You're going to end up writing a problem, doing a diagram, and figuring out a conclusion, and answering some questions at the end. So you're going to select 7 items one at a time. You can use my items that I have back there in the bucket, or you can use your own items. You're going to find the mass of each using the digital scale. You're going to record it in kilograms instead of grams because of the equation. We don't want to do conversions and have tiny little answers. So pretend that they're big and move on. You're also going to have to find the mass of the ruler, which is going to be your pretend shelf. Use the spring scale to find the force of gravity. You just hang it from the spring scale and read the Newton side. Then you're going to do the calculations. You're going to calculate the force of all 8 items. You're going to calculate the total gravitational force of all the items as if they were on the shelf. Then you're going to calculate tension as if there were 2 strings holding the shelf up. Finally, you're going to draw a force diagram for your situation and answer several more questions. All the directions are on the Google Sheet. Good luck. Thanks for watching.